Hello, Gabby. And hello, you too. Behold! A table saw. Built myself with grid beam. Now, it's imperfect and it's not really finished yet. You see that this is off-center from the table part. But I sunk these holes, so it's a nice flush surface. There's my saw. And this is what I used for the actual saw. Duct tape. Engineer's best friend. I did duct tape the guard back, but I figure since, you know, it's not being used the way it was intended anyway, that it'd be fine. Yeah, it's a table saw, guys. It's a table saw. So all that stuff that I wanted to cut, I now can cut. And oh, here, this is my on-off switch. Glorious. So yeah, I built a table saw. Isn't it grand?